The future of media and entertainment technology in self-driving cars. In recent years, the development of autonomous vehicles has been a major focus of the automotive industry. As these vehicles become more prevalent on our roads, there is increasing interest in the potential for in-car entertainment and communication systems. In this article, we will explore the future of communication and entertainment technology in autonomous vehicles. Connectivity and communication. One of the key areas of focus for in-car technology in autonomous vehicles is connectivity and communication. As vehicles become more autonomous, there is a need for improved communication between the vehicle and its occupants. This can include voice-activated systems, gesture recognition technology, and other intuitive interfaces that allow passengers to interact with a vehicle in a more natural and intuitive way. Entertainment and infotainment. Another important area of focus for in-car technology in autonomous vehicles is entertainment and infotainment. With more time spent in the vehicle, there is increasing interest in providing passengers with access to a wide range of entertainment options. This can include streaming video, music, and games, as well as access to social media and other communication platforms. Augmented reality and virtual reality. As autonomous vehicles become more sophisticated, there is also potential for the integration of augmented reality and virtual reality technology. For example, augmented reality displays could be used to provide passengers with real-time information about their surroundings, while virtual reality displays could be used to create immersive entertainment experiences. Personalization and customization. With the increasing use of autonomous vehicles, there is also a need for greater personalization and customization in in-car technology. This can include the ability to customize entertainment options, as well as the ability to personalize the vehicle's interior and exterior design. Challenges and future directions. Despite the many potential benefits of in-car technology in autonomous vehicles, there are also several challenges that need to be addressed. One of the main challenges is the need to ensure that these systems are safe and reliable, and do not distract drivers or passengers from the task of driving. Additionally, there is a need for ongoing development of new technologies and applications for in-car technology in autonomous vehicles. Looking ahead, there is significant potential for in-car technology to continue to evolve and improve, providing passengers with a wide range of entertainment and communication options in autonomous vehicles. As the automotive industry continues to innovate in this area, we can expect to see increasingly sophisticated and intuitive interfaces that enable passengers to interact with their vehicles in new and exciting ways. Safety and security. One of the key challenges facing the development of in-car technology in autonomous vehicles is ensuring that these systems are safe and secure. As vehicles become more connected and more reliant on technology, there is an increasing risk of cyber attacks and other security threats. To address these concerns, the automotive industry will need to invest in robust security measures and protocols to protect both the vehicle and its passengers. Integration with smart home systems. Another potential area of development for in-car technology in autonomous vehicles is integration with smart home systems. As more households become connected and more reliant on technology, there is increasing interest in creating seamless connections between the home and the car. This could include the ability to control smart home devices from the vehicle, or the ability to use the vehicle as a mobile extension of the home. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. As in-car technology becomes more sophisticated, there is also potential for the integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning. For example, these technologies could be used to personalize entertainment options based on the preferences and habits of individual passengers, or to provide real-time recommendations for